Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an order form in Google Forms. So let's begin. Now we can either start with a blank form or we can start from the template gallery. So I am expanding the template gallery. Now let's search for something like order. Now as you can see, we have an order form right over here. So I'm going to work with this order form. So here we have a templated order form. Now I'm going to work with this order form. Now here are some valid questions. You can either keep these questions or you can just change these questions if you don't like it. So I don't want to keep this question like, are you a new or existing customer? Let's close this window. And then on the next item, we have what item would we like to order? So here people can answer what item they would like to order, but let's make things easy for them. So here, instead of short answer, I'm going to select multiple choice grid. Now in multiple choice grid, we can just leave this question. So we are just going to give them selection of product. Now let's select our t-shirt size. So we have inserted 5 sizes. Now let's add columns. So I have added rows and columns. Now we can also add prices beside their size. So let's add price here. So we have added prices with all of these sizes. Now let's add an image for our shirt. Now I have also added an image for my shirt. Now let's center the image. You can also drag and resize the image if you want. I'm going to make the image a little bit smaller. Alright, so now since we have an image and we have multiple choices set, we can also copy this if we have multiple t-shirts available. As you can see, we have copied the whole thing. Now you can just edit the price from here. You can also change this image if you want, and then you will be able to create multiple t-shirt orders. Now I'm not changing this in order to make the video longer, so I'll just keep it as it is. Now we have the question, what color would you like to order? Now since we have images set over here, we will not need this question anymore. So I'm going to delete this one. Then size and number per color. Okay, so we have this in the form, and then we have this contact information. So we will need the contact information, then we will need the name, phone number, and email address. Alright, then we have preferred contact method. Our users can select their preferred contact method. After that, we have questions and comments. If they have any questions or comments that how they want their shirts to be delivered or any kind of comment regarding their delivery, then they can comment over here. So we will need this section, and then we can click on publish. Let's select publish. Alright, so our form has been published. So let's go ahead and view our form in the preview mode. Alright, so here we are in the preview mode. So as you can see, our first question is, which item would you like to order? Now let's suppose I would like to order 1 piece of the small shirt and 3 pieces of the large t-shirt and 5 pieces of the XL, double XL t-shirt. Now after I have selected these options, I will go scrolling down, and then I will insert my contact information. So I will insert my name. I will insert my phone number. I don't necessarily need to insert my phone number, just a number to test out how this is working. Now we can insert our email address here, and then if I scroll down, I'll be able to select my preferred contact method. So I'll select email, and then we have questions and comments. So I have left the comment, which is my preferred delivery time. Now after all of these informations are placed, we can just submit the form from right over here. Now we can't submit the form in preview mode, but if a buyer wants to buy a product from your form, then they will be able to select multiple items from this form, and then their responses will be gathered in your Google form right over here. Now I also want to show you how the response will be gathered. So I'm going to go back to this form. Now I have opened this form. Now I have opened this form again in non-preview mode. So let me just fill out all the informations and show you how it's done. Alright, now I have submitted a response. Now if I go to my orders form, as you can see, a response has been gathered, and in this response I'm seeing that I have 1 piece of the small size order, and I have 3 pieces of a large size, and I have 5 pieces of XXL size shirt ordered. So you'll be able to see your responses from here, and if you scroll down from here, you'll be able to see what your buyer has responded, like their phone number and their name. So I haven't actually entered my name and phone number, but if a buyer enters their name and phone number, you will be able to see them in the responses section. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.